Kublai parlok sa sisin ni pedang sngobhai pi syakani ke one-on-one interview lani ke taga jia kren markmat bat kirio paukmat jong ke jela meglaya. Bat minta ganti ha ke studio ke jong ni don ye ikong Pinki maring ki baru na pedang jong pi tip ba ilong iwe na kita ki beauty queens ki ba ke jelahi kala pen mi ha ki snam la let. Bat dang shen mentau snam hi idang ilayo ban ya kata khusnam lani kata ke title artly ki title Mrs. World Peace but Mrs. World Beautiful Skin. Hagajinya kun kata gerensan Mrs. International. Ti kong maring kong Pinki ning kong bangya krende ya kanika jingya lenti ke jong pi kan pila batai na do usnam ayu pila stang ban doni kanika jing snow tenat ban le komi kini ki pageants.
Ko boleh sibon kong Ivan. Nado dangret ngastanat banle modeling, ngastanat banya kini ki stage ngamju leran, tang shula temjing ruai ngala kwa banya po stage. The host name 1995 ngayo kata kalat na po amateur taekwondo school. Bagi pan kre iki kena red bakin dan hapo stage banle iwe small beauty pageant. Hadin kata kapan wanra yang abangan join ya kini ki competition. Then ngalit apo Assam and then I participate hakanika Miss Barak 1997 ngayo first runners up. Hadin katate barkhot kitab I made history in 1998 by being honored as first Miss Meghalaya. And then hadin kata I did many various events and kumta nga yat shaprang and then nga continue ka journey jonga. And nga stop in between because of education, career, marriage, kids, everything. And after all these things, nga ko ban participate biang and kapanwan ra biang yang ay kitu ki dreams ban open biang and nga join ni kanika pageant.
Ti pi ong ru mo ba pilai kren ru ba pide ga Miss Meghalaya ga bani kong do ha ka jala ga jongi bat kata ka dia snap ka kendai spa kendai pupra ha ka to ko po nga tharai nga ngai ba kinong Meghalaya hi kilong shlong nong Meghalaya kimpat da don than ta ka idea ban ong le modeling kidang shui tang hati bi e gum to haba pi rai ba pinya khon ye ga ni ka pageant nei ka jing snow jing ikmi ki pa jong pi hato kilong lo ki kershan ye pi bormet ye gum to the.
Initially, like ime pangi rukim da stonat ya kata bangan concentrate ya kanika modeling ne kanika pageant kikwa yang bangan concentrate haka kam pule na mar ngadang red kerta jonga so kim kwa yang ban deviate na ka education wat la kataru ka jinglong stubborn jonga nga ong banga kwa bangan participate te hakata ka jinglong jingthmu jonga kata ka jinglong determination jonga kapanlong ye kiba okay to ngin support I kon dan tangala job pat kawan yalam ya ka yeng ka sem jungi he me pa ban ong ba yes is to not ba in le ka ni ka line te ngi di bandan rangkat langken pat ikon te na do kata im kim ju pai den show kat ba
na marbona ka long yeng long sem ka jong ngi hi hapo ni ka jala ngi om tang ka jala ngi re wi ka jala jong kariru ki don ye ka ni ka jing kim min sim te ban ong ba hi kon dam yo ka jing nang jing start kin ha ban yo kam sarkar kim don kam kim long ban le ta ki wi ki talents ban bud ki ta ki wi talents jong ki ban long nong draw la ni ban long model la ni ban long aktor actress long ki jong ki ka long bai yo ka kam ka belong secure ka biang hakaliang ka jong pi thai pi sngo gum no thai.
I think difficultly kani ka jingkali how to usnam 1998 kan long different ka answer jonga tamba manta bangal along long kmi I totally understand ka long kumno ye ki kmi pa de ki kon jong ki kin ong bangi kwa ban le kani ne kate and ngi hab perkhat ru ya ka lawe jong ki hab ong no kumta te hakato ka porpat I felt that ba ime pa jungi like ningkong te kim sngo thu what is this namar ba kampat judon kum kata ka haka being from a middle class family mo ban ong ba kala long no standard te ba hap pule then you come then you tho and settle te ki kem la ban sngo thu ba bale ka ne ka khon ka perkhat pachakani ko ka line Tamba suki kisngutho ba there are different lines haka perthai tang boong ba tang yes ngam nam thok ya kata ba education is important kem education ngaru ngam nam poi re hakane ka banga poi menta
Tinggi dia perkat mo ke dekat jinglong jingman jong ke ni ke modeling career le ni ke modeling line kan haga jela ke jong ni pi nama pila ya ya ke tukulin tin deh nadu tu Miss Miglai hadu kan ni ti ba menta pi yo ke Mrs. World International ti kumno trai fi i ke jingkala ke jela ke jong hatu ki beri kelas tang ban accept ya kata ke jing ya kata ke baka modeling is also one of the careers.
Nilong very lucky, especially Northeast Jongi, that we are blessed mongan ongkumta in terms of fashion, in terms of jing bahabrio Jongi, in terms of jing start Jongi. It's just that ka exposure ngi kem yo mensyuaken. Te manta bar khoi ngapet in today's date manta ngapet apa social media nedang ngapet ki events ki kena samla ki longkmi jongi kila apoi shakmat lon. So I feel very proud that mangi kamyo kum kata ka opportunity and manta this is the time that kini ki youngsters jongi kiyo. So it's very good. It's a good development. Te hakawi kalyangan ong ngilong laki bangi din na po Northeast.
Ti pi ke karai ke jong pi banyak kun ya kani ka Mrs. World International pageant mo ara jar husau. Ngatharai ka wan hadin ke jing perkat ka bala you again. Ti nama pila day ke lupa kami. Dan pidon ka long yeng long sem la jong ba pinya pidon ka kam ka jam jong pi ba pin tre. Ti kumno pi balance pade hakapol ba pi rai pi okay tongan le contest no ka tu ka competition. Tang ba pin pa yang ni pade like you know you have to maintain like you have to balance your work life and your family life. Ti what was that triggering moment haga katuko por ba pin shlori pi ban net ya shimbenta haga ni ka pageant.
Kubule shibon again bapi raise yakane ka question. It's very important. Like a child mo kum iwe we always have a dream potang red. And kanika dream jongi kalong true ne kam long true tangba we still dream that maybe one day ngila ban achieve yaka. But sometimes kitu ki dreams jongi kala ban long very nganong kum bamla ban long. You know sometimes there are dreams balong kumta. This is one of my dream. I always wanted to be in the fashion industry, in the kumkiniki platform. They even after the lada pia thoru nga thmu bet bangan le kanika competition hapo Mrs. Level ken it can be Mrs. India, it can be Mrs. Gladrax or whatever opportunity bangayo ngansale tangkata kala asyulong kala asyu sate ngansale tangba. Why I said that it's very important question is it comes with an experience. If dakam one with an experience ngam tharai ngaru ngala ban job ikanika competition bangalit manta. So education plays a very important role. And then second is your bafitre. I was flying for Jet Airways and Gulf Air. Kitu ki training bangayo nang tu papanlong discipline yanga. Berperlong discipline yang hakajuk kapor time management, hakajuk kapor how to behave yourself outside your community, outside the world, because ni your exposure tang bat ki brew India, ni your exposure bat ki brew jela baro. Tekatu kapanlong confident yang ba kumno bangan deal bat ki brew banabar. So this is very important. Like many people had asked me this question, why this break? Why there was a long break? Nga kem da prepare yala de ngamnam nuot panlet bangan jam ya ka competition kano ro. So kajing thumu jonga kajing kwa jonga kamnam la ban pan win yanga until unless I do my homework. So based on my experience, based on my career, education, everything together kapanlong yanga bangala ban prepare ya kanika competition banga job manakane.
Nga taray kani ka jing job ka jong pi lani ka jing shim benta ka jong pi nama banyak don benta lang bagi tu ki contestants hang tu nri phong wet na preng ki jong ki ani palat nang taru ngathare kamlong ka basuk lada om lada de da jing ka shan jong ri ka sam ka jong pi jong i lok i jong pi ki khun ki jong pi i mei pai jong pi ha ka to ko por hadu ka no thare ki la ban ka shan ya pi met bat min sim.
Okay, ngidon kumshis pa South Pongot contestants and napo umdetang napo Barjala India napo Baroko wika partai. They were contestants napo New York, napo Dubai, napo Bangladesh, napo Melbourne, and then apo UK. So participating with them, okay, banya don lang, banya kren lang, banya discuss lang ya kanika porbengi yale ya kanika pageant ngam nam ong baya kun, you know, it sounds very along kumangi yale wrestling. So porbengi don lang ya kanika bangi shimbanta. It was a very interesting journey jonga, like, you know, we learned a lot. Tehaka to ka journey banga learn ki like ngai thu shortcut haye, so they were very proud. First of all, napo Meghalaya I was the only one. Napo Northeast we were only two, Wendi Manga and Wendi napo Assam. And then por banga thu banga de napo Meghalaya Marway, and then competing with the rest of the world. Kato kapan long sarong yaki mik pa I lok jonga bang wow, like, you know, you have made it from the audition till here. So for me nadu kato kapor hinga ngala mentally prepared, but it doesn't matter banga job ne banga job, it doesn't matter. For me that experience was very important. Ngandai piang kato ka question basically mane ba like kalong kumno important ya kanika banga join ni kanika pageant kawai kadika experience zingim dan ka experience ka jing im jongi ngim namla even dengi don kata ka buit ka start dengi don kata ka jing bhabreo o kum kawai ka question banga yo bunsian ba like fi let yakop thai bhabreo ngam stanat kata ka question, okay, because it's not about thai bhabreo outer beauty. It's about the inner beauty, and that inner beauty kumno fi wan ra shakmat, kumno fi kren, kumno fi behave, kumno fi ya don lang, you know, ya shong lang, ya yang lang, katu kapan long kawai ka nganong kumno kapan ra ya fi kawai ka khusnam nganong no ba katu ka de ka beauty te. It's not about the outer beauty. Tambang pajiyo alat bangan yo ong kane publicly, and when people say that fila they thai bhabriyo day, so I get very conscious because it's not about thai bhabriyo. It's about the inner beauty that papiwanra shabar, that is called beauty with a purpose.
Namar bunyi keren halor kanika jing bhabriyo mo bunyi ong beauty. Dangshan fila keren shibur mahamo halor kanika ka riam ka pai ka chungi dress sizes ba kani ka ki choices nani ki rai ka ba ki brio ki shim ken ha ka ba day ba kani ka lan te philan batai khindia ha ba phi ongi kita ki dress sizes and different choices that are out there phi mot you
Shabangan reply ya kani ka question. I just want to say something about personal ha ka jing im jonga. I was diagnosed with stage 4 endometriosis, which I had to undergo many surgeries and have shim steroids, injections and everything. So my body flared up, okay, kala shim nganong kumno ngamlong normal hakatu kapor, and bun kibriu kishi ong balay film jule exercise, balay film le dieting hindiat ni kanite kala you know class new door baha manta kam chupe jala de. So kini ki kantin bingiyo na kibrio teng ka they pull us down, okay, and they don't know behind but like, you know, what we go through, and at the same time por bingi le thit sapti, you know, ngim jubo ka size jong phi, you know, things like that. So any layman, any normal person, if you ong directly akata ba ngim jubo ka size jong phi long ka kata long kapan long yengi ka moral jongi kapan long down no katu ka confidence jongi kapan long down no, and ngi sngo ba like, oh my god, like there's something wrong namar ngating anda pe po mira. I don't feel that, like, you know, I need that you can bangan pan dunay ya ka bam jonga ne ban pan le exercise bangan right ko, because for me I feel I'm okay ka biang ki sapti jonga, so why that person ong yang aba ka size jong pim don ken. So this I often ngashi labha po shilong, especially haki man ki balit thiet jing thiet mangi kini ngan ong no ki buti kini ki dukan dijan bakim jidon ka size palat na ka large size ken ki shibu bet XS small medium large ro tam teng hi tharai fin lap, okay. So most of the time ngashi order bet na bar online mantali la sukha, like, you know, you order online la poi within 3-4 days. And then suddenly I started talking about yekini ki curator, yekini ki boutique owners nga ong ba believe in mo, because there are people of my size, okay, ngirungi kwa ban riam ngirungi kwa ngolong bhabrio you know teng dadan jingya thought ne dadan kanu ko occasion ngirungi kwa ban phongkum kata ko sapti kum ba phong ki small size so for me I feel kanika concept hapo jilla jongi we have to break that barrier that it does I mean our shape our size should not define who we are kanika ka size jongi ka age jongi ka jinglong hebrio jongi rit brio jongi kato kam la ban ong ba like kata it defines your beauty te ka beauty it kam yahap ya kam ngam smu yahap kata ka beauty related but kata ka sapti jong phi I feel like ka beauty kaya la ka jong kata ka sapti kar kumriam jong phi kaya la ka jong ho teng like you know bajrong than balongkot than kitu yahap but kata ka size jong ki tang ba ban ong pat ba umdan ka size jong phi te I think we have to break that barrier because we all come in different shapes size color length breadth
Kade tila dangi kren bede halor ka women empowerment lani taga jing pin ko body ki kenthe gen te phi long iwe na ki kenthe ya ka jala ki jongi bala live by that word mo ki bala bonra shishai ka naam ka puram naga bata ka jala ki jongi but ki bala I roye ka I mean same roye ki we ki long kami ka jala ki jongi bakin de bakin board ya kata ka jing angnut ka jong ki ban pun urlong yi jing angnut ki jong phi te minta hakani ka ta ka jong phi ndai kum ka kami ban ha ban pet ya ka long sem na jong phi ban pet ya ka ban nang ta ba phin tre ni ta nang ta ba phin le pade se ya ban board pade ka ni ka interest ki jong phi hadu ka no phila ban balance ki ni lightly
I think kum kato ka jing ong bong if there is a will there is a way kata ka way kalong very important ba so ka way is family support defim don ka family support fin shem jing jinjar because it does not come easy especially yaki longkmi because we have bigger responsibility teng ashet smile okay when kinda ong kibrianga file you fikam pendep kani kakam pile you na do mane you know but before you question that to a mother or to a woman okay kimju perkhat pat like you know what we go through na do dang step you know ngatrai ma piru shaban one tray fila hap shed fi hap tiu fi hap penbiang everything so ka way ka deka time management is very important yangi kilong kmi dengim dan ka time management that is the first thing ba ngin delay lot par khoy ka kam jangi second thing is self-care. It's very important to have a very good sleep yangi no matter whatever ni don ki kam jongi or ki problems jongi or whatever good sleep is very important because with a clear mind fila ban le kanu ka kam rather than like you know fin shulong panic fin your anxiety attack and then fin your pang real day so self-care is very important tikini ki combination kanyarap bha yangi ki long kumi bengin le kanu ka kam kaway di ka time management, kaway di self-care. Yang nga kani kaya rabha. And third is family support. If you don't have family support, kumanta, sumubhasa may pandit siya, hindi at ikikon jangan na mar ngala asako da po traffic. Kamtam ma po shilong ka traffic ka ba, ngimla ban predict. Ting. Kamtam da slap lele. Te dengiyo kum kata ka support na yeng. Dengiyo kum kata ka jing it na yeng, ka jing smuthu lang. You know, ye iwe. It becomes easy. Ngam ong ba ngam nam ong ro ba kalong easy. Tang ba with this combination you can overcome.
Ti ngangai ba kani ka jing alti ka jong phi kam de ka basuk. It's not a bed of roses. Kandoi phi kan do bon ki jing kum ka long kami kum ka khun. Ani that career woman as a wife. Ti mene phla kren a lot of beauty with a purpose. But pila yo shibon kini gijing hikai lan ki experience ke ba pio lingba gijing kendo gijong pi ba ki wei pade ki kin thai ni ki wei pa ki pa na ki wei pa ki chala lan ni ki wei pa ki ri jong ka pa thai ma na lor kani ka beauty with a purpose concept kan ke ai de ki wei pa ki jing hikai ba pio lingba kani ka journey gijong pi ha kani ka passion work
ka wei ka de ka mental health ngingim jia kran khamtam ngi ki kan thai we feel that ngi kran bun sien de shipang ki dalaya tho ngi kran shipang ki khun kilik class eu kila pulih he kum kita ngim ju kran pat are you okay, are you happy with your marriage, is there something going on ting ting ngim ju kran kum kita ki topic mana kani hakani ka competition ngayo ban kran kum kita, and I feel so nice, I feel liberated, talking about mental health, talking about women issues, talking about menopause, talking about related anything about women, from our cycle to libido to everything. So I felt that kani ka tien bangi kran, why tang hakini kumkini ki competition, why not in our everyday life ken? It is important, it is very very important ngim ji kran, and most women ngi slip down hapo depression, and ngi ngim te bangi la slip ro hantu pot depression because ngi la ya bun kam banya basic things khon yeng kam lock again katu ka cycle kala should repeat tang bangim ji kran pat ting ting bingin day like kai bat per lock ru kawan biang katu ngahap lek kloy nak siang namar ngap adap syadja, ani la shai long school ngahap song tiffin kum kita ki topic tambah ngim ji kran pat about our marriage life, ngim ji kran ba about our mental health ngi long kum no, ngim ji kran ba like what do you do, dengi la that palad are you taking any vitamins, mengi la dap sau post nam file la de ngim ji kran ngi leran te paling ngin leran habang iti para kan thai suda. Sometimes like we can also talk to a man also, to our husband also. Ngim ji kran re kata ngin kran about different things tang ba shipang kabalong very important pat ngim nam yakran te kata ka way ka experience ba ngayo man hakani ba I want to tell ya barakhoy ki long kami ki kanthai young girls also not to be nganong kumno leran, it's natural, so we should be nganong kumno long open about it, and you educate one another kan hakata
gani ke jal ti jong phi ke long bestanat mo but kum pentip ki parlog jang iru ba ikong maring hi ide na po na sti je boy mo shrom umsning ne umroi ne
umsning umran
te but hakapol wi yo ekani ka khusnam ru ekani ka nam ru pila yo ke jing shan mo jadi parash ki brio na stu ki nong shong shong na shtu pila an batai hadu ka nu kani ka I mean same ye phi haba phi mi khamat na ka bata ka jong ki om tang na bata ka jong ki ba ka jong ka jala hi gen
ngalong I was very surprised por ba ki one show yang ana po airport, okay, katu ka jing kemen jongki, katu ka jing sarong jongki, and then messages, phone calls beki ong ba khon kat nungis ngo sarong ba piwan ra nam namanta ka kurjongi, namanta ka shnong jongi. So nadok man shwa he wrote like since because I'm the eldest na yang long ki iet yang baro, na liang jong ki mama, na liang jong ki me iet pai iet ki me red, everyone like ki tip ka karteng jong ka suk ha ban pronounce ro te kim jinjar hi re te wat la kata ro hapo 1998 por bangawan ra nam ro hakato ka por kalong the first time hapo riboy bangawan ra kum kata, especially in again I'll use that word beauty pageant mo akata ka por ngawan ra I was the first person te ka panlong sarong yaki, and then mantapat kilong shock ba hapo 42 fidang le biang kum kini and then maki ningkong kim smooth hu but what she's doing tang badang ala wan rapat yakani ka nam yakani ka crown yaki iki ong wow, ba filit le shisha kum ta filit compete kum kani ka competition fismo kum no, so they were very happy ya kata kan. So again hang to kapor road like my aunt and everything they said hoy kumnikin beskin fidiban le exercise manta fidiban panrai ko, so I correct them again hakato kapor. So manta most of my family kitip ba kani ka jingya le jonga, it's not about bangan pan ijing phabri hobaro ka parthai jalla, it's about beauty with a purpose, it's about inner beauty jong pi ba pan iya bar khoi ka parthai and ngawan ra nam hapo ka shnong la jong.
Hakani ka Mrs. World International Gang ka bolong po Gurgaon dang Shen ti ka glamour Gurgaon ka panya ikato mo ngai kamde ka basuk ka kam ka basuk ki bad kin khot ikini ki contestant na shway pat ki ri jong ka perthai mo Ti hak tu ko por kum ke ai thai ka pressure ka ba phi ya kendu ban ong ba phin hap ka competition hadu san hajar ngun palan de ki ha ban rung shap ban ha ban yo rung ti ke ai thai ka ba what was going on in your mind that time.
And yet, I thought that like it's going to be very simple. Nginshu practice ki catwalk jongi, and then we'll wear our dresses. Kumba shit long kum ki wiki pageant ken. Tangba, I was very surprised that Glamour Gurgaon, okay, they gave us a platform bangin ye can do, but ki renowned figures jonki media and fashion industry, and also celebrity ban one ban kren yangi ken hakatoka platform. So, kato kapanlong a very big exposure yangi. It is an incredible experience. Ni yo kuman manhakan mantan nga ong yipi about mental health. Ki wan ki brio, kini renowned figures ban crunch pangkata, and then also ki wan panithu yangi ba. It's hakani ka jing ya compete kanika competition jangi. There is other life also te. Kata kadeka self care. Kata kadeka it is just for ourselves. You know, hindi ban pay ka health jongi, hindi ban pay ka wellness jongi, hindi ban pay ka diet jongi, hindi ban pay ka you know, apart from yakanika glitz and glams and everything, there is another life route bangi hap long, ni hap concentrate and kata ka way kadika main kadika health.
Ban ia ila dia tak ba chim khia ka met ka jing ka jing khia. Ti dang ye kren pe dia halor ka ni ka ayu mo kanika rai ka jing ang nu ka jong pi ka ba mentai you're living that dream dei ti ngi ba phila don ka contract ba Glamour Gurgaon dei ba phin ha ban de shaki we pa ki chala ban ye kren ye ki long kmi shatola ni ban aya ka ta ka khubor halo ta ka beauty with a purpose ti hadu ka nu thai kanika contract ka te ye phi ka te phi long ba phi ha ba jingai ni khon phi ha jingai na yeng na sem kum nu phi sngo de
Ningkong du nga ko ban ai kublei ka director jongi Ma'am Barka Nangya and her team for giving us this opportunity and this platform. Ningkong nga khamla ban sngo thu, like you know what was happening hakatuka training hakatuka jingya compete jongi slowly nga sngo thu, but it is about us mainly kamde a namanta jongno it's about us te kumno mangi pat ba ngin poi hakataka nganong kumno hakataka level, okay, yangi ki pan training ina du basdang. So kanika contract jongi dengila sign maknaro, okay, mde bo ong ba katte marau yangi. We have every opportunity bangin let tangba. It's just that I have to take ngam ong pre-approval, but at the same time, like you know, just to go through with her so that I don't end up in a wrong path. You know, because she's seen he kibriyo baki ong bade beauty pageant or beauty contest, or she has been so and so title. Teng kibriyo na kiwe ki industry ki wat lat lenti ba kumno banyalam ye kini ki kana shakaway pat ka jingbakla. So in that way pat nga comment ba somebody else is checking on my behalf. So kanika contract bang assign but ki it is very good namanta jonga.
Kat nus nam kadika tu contract?
It's 3 years. 3 years contract.
Tika ni ka contract ka kan haban long pin haban let tour kan deh.
It's not about touring, it's about everything, about endorsement. Suppose now manta there is a pageant manta, for example, kumkani ka Glamour Gurgaon, kamde tang ka Mrs. World International bagi organize. They also organize Mrs. India Pride of Nation, Mrs. Curvy. They have shisnam, they do like 3 kind of competition bagi organize hapo India but Haba India. They hakum kita pat like they have events, they have training, they have auditions, and kum kita pat like kapanlong yakiru ka proud feeling ba there is somebody from Meghalaya ban one hakatuka audition ban judge yaki ne ban krani tiki weki long kami. So hakum kita kenki events bangi hab yalen.
Ti nang ni shakman de ke ai ka jing thmu ka jong phi.
Nang ni shakmat ka jing thmu jonga kalong ka way ka balong very important ba. It's a kind of a message also to all the young girls and women that what you snowrit yalade. You have to be very confident of yourself. You should love yourself, take care of yourself. because it costs nothing, yet it earns everything.
Malaysia pun kong Pinki kita sembok je pakai ke jong pi la yo banyak keren halo kata ke jing ya nanti ke jong pi bat ni tip ru bakam de ke besuk ban balance ya gani ka jing ya nanti ke jong pi ke kum ka kemi kum ka a career woman kum ka long kemi ka betre kum ka lok kum ka khun de ti dak men neru ikong Pinki ong ba if there is a will there is a way la da don hi kata ka mon ka la hi kan supply ti nakamata ki khun samla ki jongi but ruki we pa ki long kmi ki ba ya kendu ya bun ki jing e ki jing im ki jong ki ha bai de ba kata ka choices lani kata ka dress sizes ka ba ki don kata ka jing bom snow long scam jing mut ha ki kin pai shi ki parlo ki jong ki lani ka long sem ki ban kran chapang ta ki na ma kata ka de ki ba ong kong ma Pinki mane mental health is very important. We have to talk about it. Idon kam banya kran idon kam banya sami kini ki baro te kong Pinki khubli shiboni tu kinti ki jong phi bang nget baki kini ki parlo ki jong gi ba pe kani ki program ru kin yo jing men toy ni kini ki jing kran ki jong phi bat ki la ru ban yo men sim mo nam phi bat ni kit bok ni kit riang ya phi ru ya kani ki jing ya ti ki jong phi bat ya ka yeng ka sami ki jong phi te parlo ka tung la poi chapakut jong kani ka interview ka jong ni bat la da phi don kanu kanu jing kali ka ba bi kwa ban bu nam tai kong Pinki phi la ban pen pa ka comment section but ni nyale ban ai kini ki kli shi kong Pinki la ila da long ba la bi in ai ki jubab ting sa pha phi te ta hadu ka we pa ka por khuble ka por ga jong phi baro